Here's our next one in the series. This one's an 8-ton Denison. Also 480 volts. All right, let's run the cycle a few times, please.
Makes pressure.
So pressure's dropping on it, or might have to turn it up a little, get a little more pressure in it. There we go. All right. It's consistent.
And you got the inching.
The inch wheel, this one's set up with a standard inch wheel for adjustment. All right, let us know if there's any questions on that one.